Hello everyone, this is Kitika, host of this channel that is Hastrekha palm reading. Today in this video, I will be talking about the suicidal tendencies. Okay, so first you need to understand that these are just the possibilities. Okay, and we can stop them. If you see your such signs in the palm, you can stop them. All right, so let's get started with it. So first of all, we will talk about the mind line. You can clearly see we have a mind line here. Okay, now it is heading towards the mount of Mars, upper Mars. We call this area as the upper Mars. Okay, but sometimes what happens is this line just go into the lower mount of moon. Okay, you can see this is the moon area. Okay, this is the upper area, this is the middle area of the moon, and this is the lower area. So whenever a mind line goes like that, it makes a person very emotional, or it even makes a person very a perfectionist artist, we can say. All right, now along with this sign, if you see this mount to be overdeveloped means highly bulging out from both the side. You can see this area should also be bulging out from the palm, and along this skin should also be bulging out of the palm. Okay, so an overdeveloped palm with such a mind line and few negative signs like cross, island, or a sign of mole. Okay, so if you find these all three, this makes a person vulnerable towards the suicidal tendencies. All right, so this is one indication. Now along with this, I will take another planet into consideration, that is Saturn. Here you can see we have the Saturn finger and we have the Saturn mount in this area. Okay, now when this Saturn finger is also responsible for making a person hopelessness and giving a person sadness. Okay, so when this finger is short, or we can say this mount is underdeveloped means see, we can say that this mount is prominent when this is flat. Okay, but when it is pressed inside or bulging inside of the palm, okay, we can call it as a underdeveloped mount. So what I was saying, either a short Saturn finger, or an underdeveloped mount, or a cross sign over this mount. Okay, this also shows the vulnerability towards suicide. All right, now if you find a net sign over this mount, this shows suicidal tendencies due to the financial troubles. Or if you see a mole here, we can call it the suicidal tendencies due to failure in love. All right, and along with this, if you see a mole on the ring finger, this is the ring finger, also known as sun finger and Apollo finger. If you find a mole over this finger, this also shows that a person can have suicidal tendencies due to the defamation. All right, now along with that we need to also consider one more planet into consideration, that is, yeah, this is Jupiter. Okay, now if you find this finger to be short, first of all, what this finger represents. When this finger is long, the mount is quite prominent with the positive signs. This makes a person highly ambitious, responsible, knowledgeable, giving a person good leadership skills. But what happens when these all negate? Okay, like having a short index finger, having an underdeveloped amount of Jupiter, and along with that, if there are negative signs over it, this also makes a person irresponsible. The person is not knowledgeable. It and consequently it makes person vulnerable towards suicide. Okay, now one more thing that I wanted to share is what I mean by a short Jupiter finger. Okay, you can see this is the Saturn finger. Now this is the first phalange, this is second phalange, this is third phalange. Okay, so whenever the Jupiter finger reaches till the mid of the first phalange, okay, till here, it is considered long. Okay, otherwise it is considered short. Now we will move towards the next sign, that is your thumb. You can see here we have the thumb. So a rigid and a long thumb shows a lot of willpower, lot of resistance power, okay. But when the thumb is weak, like very short, and it is bending towards a wrist, okay, that making this thumb flexible, it shows that the person lacks willpower, the person has very low resistance power, okay. If he or she faces any critical situation in the life, they will not be able to resist it. All right, so this is also one indication, and this is quite important indication which needs to be taken into consideration. All right. Now, along with that, if you see, here we have the mind line. Now, if you find in any of the hand the mind line is short and islanded, this also shows that the person is going through severe depression, okay. This can also lead to instability, and that can lead to the suicidal tendencies. All right. Now, along with all these signs, if your primary lines like heart line, mind line, and lifeline, they all are going very well. I mean to say, if they are stable, strong, clear lines, then these negative signs will not affect that much. All right. Next line that I am going to talk about is the simian line. See what happens here in this hand. You can see this is the heart line, and you can see this is the mind line. But in some of the hands, I can say around 5% of the hands, these two lines merge like this, okay. There is one single line, these two lines get merged into one single line, okay. Now whenever this line is present in the palm, along with that, if all the mounts are quite developed, along with the good signs, okay, and the good condition of the primary lines, it gives good results, okay. But along with these lines, if the mounts are either overdeveloped or underdeveloped, and there are lots of crisscrossing lines in the palm with the negative signs, then it also makes a person depressive, okay, which can lead to the suicidal tendencies, right. So this was one indication, and one last indication I'm going to talk about is here you can see we have the lifeline, okay, and you can see some of the horizontal lines cutting like this. These are known as stress line, okay. This also shows period of disappointments, okay, which can give you depression. So you need to age these lines, and you need to be very careful in that period. Likewise, you can see if a cut is here, you can see this is the age of around 21, 22. Okay, if you see a cut is here just below this finger, you can see here it is age of around 30. So the person needs to be very careful in the period of 30 regarding this. And even if you are going through these all disappointments or the depressive things in the life, you need to follow few things, like you need to recite Hanuman Chalisa daily. It will make your mind and emotions very stable, okay. So you will not go towards such things. All right. And along with that, you need to just go on the sattvic diet. You need to avoid the spicy food, oily food, okay. And the most beneficial thing is the meditation. You need to urgently switch in meditation if you have these signs in your palm, okay. Meditation will make you a person who is quite strong in all the aspects, the mental aspects, emotional aspects. All right, it is going to make yourself very stable. All right. So I think this was all about the video. Thank you so much. And if you have any queries, you can reach me up on my Facebook page. Link is given below in the description, or you can mail me on hastrekhapalmist@gmail.com. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye bye.